be on. Okay. Now take your observations book along with your discovering books. Okay. Observations book along with your discovering book. And now better take out your page number 31. Practice zone 4. Page number 31, practice zone 4. And Anuja 3253. Anuja, read out the question. What is given on page number 31st?
Change the following sentence for passive voice to active voice. Example: the football ball kicked by Satya. Answer: Satya kicked the football. A.
Wait a minute, Anuja. You will not pronounce it as kicked. Okay? Don't pronounce it as kicked. Kicked. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Kicked. Okay, Anuja. Repeat this sentence.
The apple was
No.
on
Example. Repeat the example.
the football was kicked by
Once again, listen. तुम फिर kicked बोल रहे हो. Kicked नहीं बोलना है. क्या बोलना है? How you will pronounce it? Kicked. ऐसे बोलो. Kicked. Kicked. कर्ड जो है ना ये कर्ड. Kicked मत करो. Kicked मत करो. Kicked. बोलो इसको. Kicked. क को छोटी की मतलब की आधा कर्ड ऐसा. हिंदी में कैसे क को छोटी की मतलब then क and then d. Kicked. Pronounce it. Okay. Repeat the example. फिर से repeat करो.
The football was kicked by Satya. And Satya
Okay.
kicked the football.
Satya kicked. Okay. जैसे asked नहीं बोलते. क्या बोलते? Asked. Kicked. Okay. And if you want to have some style in your speaking, then you should omit R. अगर थोड़ा सा स्टाइल आपको लाना है in your speaking, then you have to omit R. R में बहुत धीरे से प्रेशर डाला. Very little stress. जैसे right. ऐसे बोलते हैं ना right. तुम right बोलोगे, then it will not look good. तो आप क्या बोलोगे right. थोड़ा सा stress. Okay. R पे there should be little stress. Okay, Anuja. Kick. Now, listen. Be on mute mode. First of all, be on mute mode. Anything you want to ask, then please write in the chat box. Otherwise, be on mute mode. Okay? Nobody will unmute himself or herself unless and otherwise I will say, okay? You are told to do so. Okay, Anuja. Now example you have read and now read the A part.
The apple was left on the bed by Julie.
Okay, first of all, tell me what you have to do in this practice on 4. What you have to do? Everyone, turn on your cameras again and again. I will not say this thing. Okay, turn on your cameras. Okay, very good, very good. You have to change these sentences from passive voice to active voice. These sentences are in passive voice. Okay. All these sentences are in passive voice, and what you have to do, you have to change it into active voice. Means reverse. You did active voice to passive voice. Now you have to change from passive to active. Okay, लगा पता? पहले you did sentences, you changed sentences from active to passive, and now you have to change from passive to active. अब आपको वापस back जाना है. Okay, Anuja, A part. The apple was left on the bed by Julie. Now change it into active voice. Karo active में change. Very good, Julie.
Julie the bed left the apple.
No. फिर से करो, try करो. Try once more. Try करो बेटा. Julie on the bed. आप put on the bed in the last. Okay, on the bed last में आएगा. On the bed को last में कर दो. बीच का करो change.
Julie the apple left on the bed.
No, Anuja, it is wrong, beta. Bhavna Sharma.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Bhavna, you speak out.
When Julie left the apple on the bed.
Very good, very good. Julie left the apple on the bed. On the bed मैंने क्या last में करो. Anuja, got it beta? Julie left the apple on the bed. And now left is written. देखो, first of all, see, left is written means it is past indefinite tense. Left लिखा, write down in your copies, in your books. Write down in your books. Turn on your back camera. Back camera on karo. Everyone turn on your back cameras and then start writing. The apple was left on the bed by Julie. Julie left the apple on the bed. Write down in your books. Turn on your back cameras. Back camera on karo. I want to see you are writing or not. Okay, back camera. Turn on your back cameras. Kanishk, back camera on karo. Turn on your back camera. Kanishk Kumar, beta back camera on karo. And let me see. Let me see what you are writing. Do fast. Drishti. Okay. Do fast. Write down. Okay, very good, Kanika. 2934. Very good, beta. Very good. Arshita, good, beta. Okay, Ayush Parmar, good, beta. Keep your audios off. Don't create disturbance in class. Ayush Parmar. Ayush Parmar. Ayush. Ayush. I have to remove you, beta. Ayush, why you turned on your this audio? क्यों आपने audio on किया, Ayush? I didn't ask any question from you. Then why you turned on your audios? क्यों audio on किया? जब आपसे question नहीं पूछा था. Next, okay. The apple was left on the bed by Julie. Julie. Julie left the apple on the bed. Now, Harshita, read the B part, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Harshita, read the B part.
The milk has been conquered by by someone.
Beta, it is knocked. 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 Okay, read once more. फिर से करो इसको.
The milk had been over by someone.
Okay. Okay, Harshita, now change it into active voice. Look at this. What is written? Had been. Had been is written. Okay, Vanshika, very good. Vanshika, your answer is correct. Good. Harshita, now see, beta, had been is written. So it means in the active voice, had will come. Past perfect ho gaya. Okay. Yamini, yes, your answer is correct. Now Harshita is going to change this sentence to active voice. Harshita, try it with the.
Ma'am, someone had knocked. Ma'am, someone had knocked the milk.
Knocked over the milk. Ayush Parmar, are you okay? Very good, beta. Ayush Parmar.
Yes, ma'am.
Ayush Parmar. Now tell me, is Harshita right? She's right. Harshita has said that someone had knocked over the milk. Ayush Parmar, now you tell me, Harshita is right or wrong? Ayush? She is right or wrong? ठीक बोला इसने? हर्षिता ने ठीक बोला और she is wrong, बेटा. Right. Okay. Okay, write down. Someone had knocked over the milk. Someone had knocked over the milk. Write down, write down. Someone had knocked over the milk. Someone had knocked over the milk. We are on page number 31. We are doing practice zone 4 and A and B part we have done. Okay. Now we are on C part and Ayush 3136 is going to read the C part. Ayush 3136 is going to read the third part, C part.
The car had been driven into a ball by a careless
Careless.
thinking.
Careless. What is written after careless? After careless, what is written? Ayush, what is written after careless? Teenager, beta. It is teenager. Okay. 13 to 18, 19 years of age. Okay. 13 से लेकर 19 years के बीच जो भी जो भी people होते हैं, जो भी they are called teenagers. Okay. Age from 13 to 19. Okay. You are teenagers. 13 to 19 की जो भी everyone they are called teenagers. Okay. Whose age lies between 13 to 19, they are called teenagers. Okay. Okay, very good, Yamini, good, Mehak. Now Ayush, now change it into active voice, beta. Change it into active voice.
Teenager.
A careless teenager. A careless teenager.
Careless teenager. Driven the car into a wall.
Okay, sorry. Repeat it. Sorry.
A careless teenager had.
Bhavna, good, beta. Now, Ria will read the D part. Ria, read the D part.
Ma'am, repeat.
A careless teenager had driven the car into a wall. And Atharva, Abhinav and Abhinav Chambyal, turn on your cameras. Arandi Vasde, Ananya, क्यों नहीं नजर लगती है आपको? आपको नजर नहीं लगेगी, टच वुड कर लेना आप. If you feel कि आपकी फेस को किसी की नजर लगी है, तो listen, then you should do touch wood. ऐसे कर लेना, touch wood. नहीं लगती आपको नजर. लिसन स्टूडेंट्स, कोई इनको नजर मत लगाना प्लीज. ठीक है, इनको बेटा इनको कोई नजर मत लगाना. ये कैमरास अब ऑन करके बहुत रिस्क में आ गए ये बच्चे, तो आपने बेटा इनको नजर नहीं लगानी. ओके. तो कैमरास बंद नहीं करने हैं. लिसन. ओके, नाउ सृष्टि, रीड द डी पार्ट.
थर्ड वाला एक बार मैम.
Okay. A careless teenager had driven the car into a wall. देखो बेटा, look, in the passive voice had been is written. So it is a past perfect tense. तो had को जब when you are going to change it into passive voice, तो had been में change हो जाएगा. Okay. Now, Shrishti, read the D part बेटा. D part को read करो जल्दी से. Very good, very easy. Shrishti, it is very easy. Very good, Yamini. Srishti, read out, do fast. Anuja, it is wrong, beta. Srishti, read karo. Wait a minute, I have not seen. Srishti, क्या हुआ बेटा? Unmute your microphone. करो unmute. There is little bit mistakes. The messages you are sending, there are some mistakes. Okay, Srishti, read out. बेटा आप कब read करोगे? हाँ, read out. The windows had been washed. The windows had been washed. Now Srishti, change it into active voice. करो इसको change. The windows had been washed. Now all the sentences in C, the above sentences had been is written. See the above sentences. In B, had been is written. C in had been is written. And now in the D, had been is again written. It means all these are related with past perfect. Sorry, tense. Wait a minute, Srishti will speak. Srishti? Vanshika. No, Srishti. सृष्टि से ही पूछना मैंने. सृष्टि आप बताओ बेटा, यू विल टेल. सृष्टि बहुत इजी है बेटा, बहुत इजी है. Beta, someone had washed the windows. Someone had washed the windows. Because I told you this thing that when we change the active sentence into passive voice, then we need not to write the someone. Suppose in the active voice someone is written, then it is not necessary to write someone in the passive voice. Okay. अगर someone जो है active voice में लिखा है, then it is not necessary that you will write someone in the passive voice. That is omitted. That is understood. The windows had been washed. Someone, write down someone. अब had been लिखा हुआ है. Someone had लिख दो. Had been लिखा है ना. Someone had. अब you know with has and have. Has, have, had. Third form of verb is always used. मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया कि third form of verb has, have, had के साथ always we use third form of verb. जैसे what do you say? Ma'am, I have done. Simple sentence आप बोलते हो ma'am, I have done. आप why you don't say this thing? I have do. I have did.
Washed
I have do or I have did आप नहीं बोलते. What do you say? आप बोलते I have done. Because with has, have, had, third form of verb is always used. You know this thing that in the passive voice we also use third form of verb. So this is very easy. Had been is written. Someone had washed the windows. Someone had washed the windows. Now change. Now come to the next page. Page number 32. Shrishti, got समझ में आया? Do you understand? तो बेटा had been was already given. देखो had been मैंने तुम्हें उस दिन भी I told you this thing very clearly. बेटा had हो तो had been कर देना. Has have हो तो has have been कर देना. Continuous हो ing हो तो being लगा देना. बस ये था. बहुत दिन हो गए करते करते है ना. Page number 32 and Shivani, page number 32, question number 2, A part. Read out. This is easy. Okay, because you have to change it into passive voice. Okay, that was a little bit difficult for you because you have to go reverse. Okay, that was a little bit difficult. Now it is very easy. Shivani. Nothing is audible, Shivani. Speak a little bit louder. Shivani, nothing is audible, beta. Maybe network issue. There may be some network issue. Nothing is audible. Okay. आपकी बात में लेती हूँ टर्न. ओके. Nothing is audible. अभिनव चौधरी यहाँ वहां देख रहा है. अभिनव चौधरी. अभिनव चौधरी. No response, Abhinav Chaudhary. Unmute your microphone. Abhinav Chaudhary, now read the A part. What is it?
plants even below in the passive voice. A. Gardener, the gardener plants vegetables in the garden.